In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable sponsored shortcuts in Mozilla Firefox. If you've noticed sponsored websites or suggested shortcuts appearing on your Firefox homepage or new tab page, you can easily turn them off in just a few clicks. I'll also show you an optional setting that lets you completely remove shortcuts from Firefox Home for a cleaner and more minimal look. Let's get started. First, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Click the menu icon in the top right corner of Firefox. From the menu, select Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, click Home. Scroll down until you find the Firefox Home Content section. Inside this section, look for Shortcuts. Under the Shortcut settings, you should see an option called Sponsored Shortcuts. Simply disable the Sponsored Shortcuts toggle. As soon as you turn it off, Firefox will stop displaying sponsored websites and promoted shortcuts on the home page and new tab page. If you also want to completely remove shortcuts from Firefox Home, you can disable the Shortcuts option entirely. Doing this removes both sponsored and regular shortcut tiles from the new tab page. This gives Firefox a much cleaner and more minimal appearance. The changes are applied automatically, so there's no need to manually save anything. You can now close the Settings tab and continue browsing normally. And that's basically it. You've successfully disabled sponsored shortcuts in Mozilla Firefox. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Firefox tips, browser tutorials, and Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.